IBKR stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years, and I'm not even exaggerating. I genuinely mean this what I say, because it's such a crazy long looking to double down even more. So here's the break that we got, and IBKR, it's not just like an immediate buy out of nowhere. No, I would love to see this kind of correcting down a bit and then giving me the rules. But if it does not in any sort of way, then why the heck would I buy? You know what I mean? So that's how this is looking like. All I'm doing in the meantime is just I'm waiting for rules. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, just click the first link in the description. Get my money making emails and insights. Plus stay tuned with IBKR simultaneously, and I'll see you in the next one. It's free. Goodbye and enjoy.